Hi again. We are ready for math. Let's head over to 1.9. All right, so everything we have here, complete the guided practice problems, check your answers after you work on it, independent problems, and then independent practice answers. These are all opening and ready for use today. Okay, let's head to make sure you mark your activity complete. Oh, and boys and girls, if something is not popping up and is taking too long, you can come up here to this half circle arrow, and that's the reload button. And then if you do that, it should work. Today is a good day. All right, take a look at 9.110. Here's your video. Watch these different videos, the transcript of the video, another video. Take a look at what Ladybug's talking to you about this lesson. Mark your activity complete. All right, and then you have quick check with solving problems with coins. You just click start and take a look at that. We're so glad you're learning money. And then here is a spiral review of things that you have been working on throughout the second grade year. And then there's some money problems here. And then there's some answer key there for you. Mark your activity is complete. And there's one last for math, 9.2. Let's check it out. And then it is just time to think, watch with Ladybug, help her solve her problem. There's your objectives with money, and mark this activity complete. All right, let's take a look at social studies and see what we have going on here. All right, so for today, I'm sorry, I went to the wrong one. We need science, not social studies, Mrs. Lucchino. All right. Let's come along here. We have getting started for social studies, or science. I keep saying social studies, guys, sorry. Science, we have our different keywords here and our objectives. Mark your activity complete for 3.1. Take a look at our instruction for the day. Okay, we have a little link to watch panda and chick life cycles. Animals are growing and changing, and then they're going to have you look, explore, and read pages, discuss, write your answers. We're going to take a look here and here. Okay, 3.2 and 3.3. Compare the life cycles of two different animals. Use flashcards to review the glossary terms. If this isn't working, you can always go to the glossary for those terms. Okay, and here's a quiz for today. So you want to make sure you head down, click start for animals grow and change. Do you want to start now? Sure, we're going to start now. And then you just go through and answer the questions. We hope this helps you, boys and girls. Seems like it's a good technology day. Get your work done and get out there and play. Take care. Bye-bye.